What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So major iPhone 13 improvements that have been waiting for a long time. New smartphones from Apple will provide the longest battery life in the history of this line. The exact capacity of the batteries is named. According to ZDNet, the new iPhone 13 smartphones will indeed receive increased capacity batteries. Nothing that this is exactly the improvement in Apple smartphones that fans have been waiting for a long time. And today we are going to discuss this in detail. Please watch the full video content. It doesn't matter how fast the processor is or how fast the photo is processed. If the smartphone runs out of the battery by lunchtime, and active iPhone users are familiar with this firsthand. With the release of each new generation, tests confirm that the autonomy of the iPhone, if it improves, is not significant, and in some scenarios, the new items lose in terms of the operating time to the phones of the previous generation. The source calls specific battery capacities. iPhone 13 Pro Max will receive a 4352 mAh battery instead of 3687 mAh for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 Pro with the same screens will receive a 3095 mAh batteries instead of 2815 mAh battery. The battery capacity of the iPhone 13 mini will increase from 2227 mAh to 2406 mAh. To this, it is also worth adding information that the single chip system Apple A15 Bionic will reduce the power consumption of a smartphone by 15 to 20%, and the smartphones will receive new screens with an adaptive image refresh rate. As a result, the iPhone 13 should offer the longest battery life in the line's history. Earlier it was reported that Apple will be able to install larger batteries only after additional space appears inside the smartphone. The company will use smaller components to save space for larger batteries. According to the report, the new iPhone 13 line may lose the charging connector and may allow you to charge your iPhone via wireless charging only. It is expected that the official presentation will take place in September this year. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.